guys, it's Kim from Sweet Red Poppy and welcome back to my crafting channel. Today we are talking all about vinyl. If you've ever wanted to use vinyl, but maybe you've been intimidated by the process or you had less than ideal results, then this video is for you. So let's go ahead and jump right in. First off, vinyl consists of two different parts. The top layer is actually the vinyl and it has a sticky adhesive backing. This is the material that you will be cutting and applying to create your project. The second layer is a paper liner. You can think of vinyl kind of like a sticker. On top you have the sticker and on the back you have the paper liner that prevents it from accidentally sticking to different things. Vinyl can be applied to the majority of flat surfaces. It tends to work best with non-porous items like walls, glass, or even plastic. There are so many different types of vinyl, and your surface is really what's going to determine the type of vinyl that you want to use for your specific project. Cricut offers both removable and permanent vinyl. Removable vinyl is ideal for temporary decor. It does not leave a residue behind, and it can be easily changed out from season to season. It's really great for temporary wall decals or seasonal projects. Permanent vinyl, on the other hand, has a long-lasting adhesive bond, and it is ideal for projects that will undergo a little more wear and tear. So think things like mugs, cups, and even windshields. In addition to different strengths, vinyl also comes with a wide variety of finishes, everything from holographic and shimmer vinyl to matte and foil. To use vinyl, you're going to need a few different supplies. First off, you'll need a cutting machine. I really love using my Cricut Explore Air 2 for all of my vinyl projects. You'll also need a green standard grip mat. This is going to work best with your vinyl. You'll also need a weeding tool. This is going to be used to remove the negative pieces of vinyl from your cut image. If you don't love using a weeding tool, that's okay. You can also use a sewing needle or even a ballpoint pen to weed. Transfer tape is also needed when you're using vinyl. The type of transfer tape that you need really depends on the type of vinyl that you're using. For the majority of different types of vinyl, you will want to use a regular transfer tape. But keep in mind, for glitter and shimmer vinyl, you're going to want to use strong grip transfer tape. And you'll notice the difference because it's a little bit purple. Now let's go ahead and create a vinyl project. I am going to walk you through every single step and explain the entire process, so don't worry. Once you've designed your project within Design Space, go ahead and place a green Cricut standard grip mat out in front of you on a flat surface. Make sure to remove the clear liner and set it aside for later. Go ahead and unroll your vinyl and use a Cricut paper trimmer to cut your vinyl. You want to cut it slightly larger than the design that you're going to be cutting on your machine. Go ahead and unroll your vinyl. The paper liner side should always be facing downwards. You want to align the vinyl with the corners of the grid along the top of your standard grip mat. Smooth the vinyl out across the entire mat, making sure that it's completely smooth and securely adhered to your mat. If you have any bubbles at this point, you can use your scraper tool to push them out. Within Design Space, go ahead and select the specific type of vinyl that you are working with. There are so many different types of vinyl, and the cut settings are going to be slightly different for each type of vinyl. Go ahead and insert your mat into your Cricut machine. Your vinyl should be cut using your fine point blade. Once your machine has finished cutting your vinyl, go ahead and unload your mat. At this point, I really like to keep my vinyl attached to my mat and begin the process of weeding. To weed your vinyl, you'll want to use a weeding tool. This is a tool with a sharp end, and what it's going to do is it's helping you to remove all of the negative pieces of vinyl from your design. I find it's easiest to do this while the vinyl is still on the mat, just because it keeps it from moving around. Go ahead and cut a piece of transfer tape that is slightly larger than your image. Remove the paper liner from the back of your transfer tape. And then go ahead and lay it on top of your image. Make sure that you're using the grid lines on your transfer tape as a guide to get everything straight. Flip your Cricut mat upside down, and then you're going to pull the mat away from your vinyl. What this does is it really just protects your vinyl from bubbling or becoming damaged. Now you want to use your scraper tool to burnish the image onto the transfer tape. Go ahead and set your pieces of vinyl aside. Now it's time to clean the surface that you will be applying your vinyl to. I found some cute little white and black enamel pieces from Joann that I'm going to be using today. You can find them online, or you can go into the stores and find them under the name Jelly Bean Soup. It's really important that your surface is free of any debris or really any kind of oil that could compromise the adhesion of your vinyl. I like to use rubbing alcohol for this along with a paper towel to thoroughly dry my base material. You want to gently peel away the paper backing from your transfer tape at a 45-degree angle. If your vinyl happens to not transfer completely, lay your tape back down and try to burnish it again. Go ahead and place your transfer tape onto the item that you are transferring it to. Take extra care to make sure that everything is lined up. Use your scraper tool to burnish your design onto your base. What this does is it helps the sticky backing of your vinyl to fully adhere to your surface. Carefully peel the transfer tape away from your design at a 45-degree angle to reveal your finished design. You'll want to allow your vinyl to fully cure for 24 hours before washing it or exposing it to any type of water. This will help the backing to fully adhere to the material that it's been placed on and create a really long-lasting result. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe to Sweet Red Poppy for weekly crafting videos, and go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. If you happen to have any questions about using vinyl, make sure that you leave them in the comments below so I can help you out with those. I'll see you guys next week.